In our top story, the Central Rajpar Community Organization, Karachi, has issued a statement regarding the president of PS 114, journalist Ramzan. An important meeting was held with Mr. Hakim Ali Rajpar, the president of the Rajpar Welfare Association, regarding matters of the Central Rajpar Community Organization. During the meeting, Ramzan Ali Rajpar said to Hakim Ali Rajpar that, "I have come to meet you on the instructions of Sardar Rajpar, a collective opinion of all of us that you should join hands with us in the Central Rajpar community." On this occasion, Hakim Ali Rajpar stated, "The Sardar family is like a crown on our heads, and inshallah, we will soon meet them personally. We will also work together with the Central Rajpar Community Organization for the betterment and unity of our people. Inshallah, we are all one and will continue to work together in complete unity. We will stand shoulder to shoulder with the Sardar family and become their strong support."
Geo Rajpar TV News.